the point P is mapped onto P dash 44 minus 45 by the transformation matrix 5 minus 2 minus 4, 3. Find the coordinates of P. Okay, if we let M be this matrix 5 minus 2 minus 4, 3, and P dash is mapped onto, then P dash is mapped onto P by its inverse. Okay, if we have P mapped on to P dash by this, then P dash must be mapped on to P by the inverse of this matrix. So if M is A, B, C, D, the inverse matrix is 1 over the determinant, which is AD minus BC. You swap the position of D at A and D and change the sign on B and C. So m to the minus 1 will be 1 over 5 times 3 minus 2 times minus 4. Be careful with minus signs. The 5 and the 3 swap positions, and the minus 2 and minus 4 both become positive. So that gives me 1 over 15 minus 8 of 3, 2, 4, 5, which is 1 over 7, 3, 2, 4, 5. Right, so my coordinate xp will be, xy will be equal to 1 over 7, 3, 2, 4, 5 times my coordinates of the image, 44 minus 45. Writing that out again. Right, you should leave the fraction to last, so we're going to multiply these first. Let me just do this first of all, separate them a little bit so that you can actually see this is a 2 by 1 and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we've got the 1/7 out the front, so we do 3 times 44, which is 132, minus 2 times 45, which is 90, 4 times 44, which is 176, minus 5 times 45, which is minus 225. Notice I kept the 1/7 out. Again, keeping it out, 132 minus 132 minus 90 is 42, and 176 minus 225 is minus 44. Now's a good time to take the 7 in. You can see that both of these numbers are divisible by 7. So we get 42 divided by 7, which is 6, and minus 49 divided by 7, which is minus 7. Therefore, P has coordinates 6 minus 7. Okay, I hope you've understood. This has been a video to show you how to find the points where an image is mapped from. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.